Welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you're doing good. And today I'm going to do art. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, what we're going to do today is how to make flower collage from scratch. And these are the things you need. You need scissor, you need a glue stick, red pen, blue, green and pen, and 2 white papers. Okay, and I'll show you how to do the colors. Okay, let's get the white paper and green color. I'm gonna do some strips. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you just kind of scribble over and make sure you cover all the white spots just to get a strong green. Okay, once we do the green, you do the strong green, you do the strong blue and red in the corner, little bit as well. And then what we do is this is how it should look like, strips, and then we start cutting. Okay, cut the strips. Okay, cut straight line and then blue. Okay, chop it and red. Okay, once you got the strips, you put the strips together to make it easy, and then you cut the squares. Okay, make sure you supervise any kids for using the scissors. If you're young and you're doing it, make sure you have an adult to supervise you when you're doing the cutting. It's very important. Okay, this one we need when we're doing the bistle. We need just a couple of them. All right. Okay, once you got your colors sorted, green, blue, then what we do is we do drawing the flower. Okay, let's do it together. I'm going to draw it and then I'll turn around to show you. Okay, let's draw first the stem. When you got the stem, you got the leaf one side, another one, another leaf, another side. Okay, and now let's draw the petals. Okay, go around, 2, 3, 4, and in the middle we're going to do the pistil. Okay, that's how my flower look like. It's not the best one, but you can do better than me, I'm sure. Okay, let's do this sticking now. I'm going to start to stick the pistil first. That's the red bit, that's the center of the flower. Okay, and then we're gonna do the blues with the petals. Okay, that's how you can do. Once you sort the colors out, it's easy to pick up the one you want. And this kind of thing is good when you're doing with the kids, when you, even if you're in a school or in class or if you're home, and this will make them busy, and then they can engage, make them busy at the end of the day. Okay, it's a great way for them to do something they like it. This art is fantastic, and flowers always makes happy people, isn't it? Okay, and we're gonna do now the stem. Without the stem, flower wouldn't stay. Okay, you can do as much as you like. You can on top of each other to make it nice. You don't have to do the way I'm doing it if you want. And at any point where you can't do this in the video, you can stop and pause it and play again. If I'm doing a little bit faster. Okay, Get it? Sticky here. Get the green. Oops, it's flying, isn't it? There you go. You're doing it now. The leaves on both sides, like this. Good. Let me just cover all the leaf. In case if there's no place where you can put on any color, where you can use the color as well, just to fill out the space, to make it look nice, to fill all the spaces like that, to make it leaf nice. Stem. Okay, and I'm gonna draw at the end a grass to show the flowers on the grass. Just a couple of so you want that looks grass. Okay, and at the end I'm gonna decorate last bit and pieces to make it look nice. My flower will be the best flower you ever seen. I'm joking, you can do better than me, I'm sure. Okay, here we go. Let me show you how this is how it will look like in flower collage. Okay, and thank you very much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.